Hi guys! Today we're going to be working on the orange sound basket. So there are 5 sounds and we'll go through each one, then we're going to match some objects to the letter sounds that they go with. Okay, so the first letter is Z. 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 The next one is Qu. 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 Then we have W. W. You say it with your lips. W. W. Then we have And finally we have Y. 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 Okay? So I have some objects that we can match to their sounds, and we'll go through each one. So first I have a zebra. A zebra starts with Z. Z. It's going to go with Z. Zebra. This is yarn. Yarn starts with Y. Y. It's going to go over here with Y. This is an umbrella. Umbrella starts with Here is a watermelon. Watermelon starts with W. W. This is a quarter. Quarter starts with Qu. Qu. Quarter. This is a walnut. Walnut starts with W. W. Here we have a quilt. Quilt starts with Qu. Qu. Quilt. This banana is yellow. Yellow starts with Y. Y. Then I didn't have another picture for another object for an so I have a picture. This is a lock, and when it's opened, it's called unlocked. So it's unlock. 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 And finally, we have a zipper. A zipper starts with Z. Z. So we can go through all of them. This is Z, zebra, zipper. Qu, quarter, quilt. W, watermelon, walnut. Umbrella, unlock. Y, yarn, yellow. Alright, great job guys. You finished the orange sound basket today. So if you want to do this at home, you can write some letters down on a piece of paper and then look around your house for things that begin with these sounds. You can go through your toys and look for anything that begins with these sounds. And if you can't find anything, you can go through magazines, or if nothing else, you can just draw pictures yourself, which could be a fun thing to do. So thanks so much for coming and working with me today, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.